Alright, here we are on the 25 350 XCF Texas Off-Road Ride Along Series. Here we go. I'm going to try to get a lap in. Kind of made 2 warm-ups. Let's see how it goes. It is super dry and slick. I got traction control on. Out on the 25 350. I think this is becoming my favorite 350. I always hit second for this turn. Oh, that's a fun jump. This is like a flat track turn. It's just so dry and slick. But still a lot of fun. Now we go into the trees. Ooh. Super fun section. Up here you got a line choice. We'll take the more difficult line. Traction control just works so well in that deep powder. Gives you a little more controllability where the rear tire is just not gonna just light up and this loop is always a challenge for me. I need to ride it more where I can kind of find my rhythm. But it's still so fun. Little rocky area. Hanging on too tight, my hands are gotta remember to keep breathing and loosen that grip every once in a while. Home stretch. Alright, so that was the second video in the ride along series. I came up with this idea, you know, I just wanted it to be a fun thing to do. I like to ride all the bikes in a rotation, you know, and that's where the idea came from. Well, maybe I could just get a lap, you know, film a lap ride, just a regular ride video, and that's what I'm wanting this series to be. So just something fun, you know, in between videos. You know, let me know what you think. And it's super hot. I feel like I wasn't riding very good today. I just, you know, kept making little mistakes, and you know, I need to get my consistency back up, and I'm hoping I can do that, but we'll get there. And so hopefully these will just kind of come along here and there. But thanks for watching, thanks for riding along, and we'll see you in the next video.